Ate Ellen, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Kakantahan ka namin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ito ang sayo. Ate Ellen, maraming salamat sa iyo ngayong birthday mo. Ay hinihiling namin sa Panginoon na ikaw ay biyayaan pa niya ng mahabang buhay para ikaw ay makasama ng iyong anak. At ito pong ika-60th birthday mo, nawa ay ikaw ay lalo pang maging positive sa buhay. Ikaw ay lalaban lang at huwag susuko sa mga pagsubok pagkat naandyan ng Diyos na laging aagapay sa iyo. At pati na rin kami naandyan din si Aika at saka si Ajin at ang iyong unika apo na si Mia Boo. Kaya huwag ka mag-aalala. Ang problema, hindi yan tinatambayan. Bagkus, iyan ay hinahayaan lang na lumipas sa ating buhay pagkat yan ay parte ng buhay natin. Kaya alam ko, itong birthday mo, masaya lang. Isang tabi muna yung problema, isang tabi muna yung lungkot. Basta ikaw ay magpakasaya, i-celebrate mo ang birthday mo na kasama mo pa ang iyong mga anak at apo. Diba, Ate Ellen?
Yes. Happy birthday, Tol.
Happy birthday!
Long live, Tol. At relax lang. Huwag ka may stress.
Sige. Happy birthday again. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening po. Hi, Tita Ellen.
Hello, tita.
Advance happy. Ilan to na nga ba?
60?
16?
60 pala.
Happy 60th birthday to you in advance. Naway maging maligaya ka na sa love life mo. And of course, long life. Ano masabi mo, Jing?
Happy birthday, Tita Ellen.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Good luck and God bless.
Yun lang.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday po, Mami Ellen, Tita Ellen. Wish ko po good health. Siyempre, maging happy sa buhay. Ang pinakamakulit naming tiyain at jolly na tiya na aking biyena. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday!
Happy 8th birthday po.
Happy birthday, Kasin! Mag-iingat ka palagi at saka lagi mong iingatan ang iyong health. O, may gusto rin bumati sa'yo.
Minsan, happy birthday. Magpagaling ka.
Happy birthday!
Surprise! Happy birthday, Maringkas. Golden girl ka na. Hindi mo na maitatago yan. Ano nga pang pwede kong iwas sa'yo? Alam ko na. Sana matuloy na yung lakad natin kasi puro drawing na lang. Diba? Anyways, happy birthday again. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. This is for you. Birthday na ni Ellen. Birthday na ni Ellen. Birthday ni Ellen ngayon. Get out! Happy birthday, Sex Mom Ellen. I love you.
Hi! Happy birthday, Ellen! Congratulations on your memorable date. I think you're 60? Oh my goodness. But you look only like 50s. So, God bless. Wishing you all the best. Good health. And be happy.
Happy birthday, Tita Ellen from Canada with love.
Happy birthday, Tita Ellen. I missed you. Wish you all the best in life and good health. See you soon.
Yeah, bye.
Happy birthday, Ellen.
Happy birthday, Tita Ellen. Maligayang bati sa iyong pagsilang. maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati.
Happy birthday and many more.
Ay, happy birthday. Matanda ka na.
Happy birthday, Ate Ellen! Happy birthday! Say happy birthday.
Where are you? Hmm. Hmm.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, birthday daw.
Sige na, happy birthday, Ate Ellen! See you soon!
Hello, Maricoy. Balita ko, ito yung pinaka-special day mo sa birthday mo. So, binabati kita ng happy birthday at sana maging happy ka, healthy, gayon din yung aking apo at mga inaanak. At sana lagi tayong magkakasama sa susunod na mga gig at banding ng Gorgeous. Namimiss ka na namin. Alam namin very busy ka at in lababo. Wish ko sa'yo na marami pang birthday, healthy birthday, and happy life. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to our dearest kumare. Today we celebrate your strength, love, and sacrifices. You choose to be a full-time mother. Iniwan mo ang pagtuturo mo and stood firm through life's challenges, raising Aika, your unika iha, with courage and unconditional love. You never gave up, never stopped loving, and remained strong, and even through the hardest time. Alam ko yon. Now, you continue the same selfless love as a grandmother, always choosing your apo, giving guidance, care, and heart full of patience and faith. Kahit nga sa mga lakad natin, kahit nakagaya ka na, hindi ka pa rin natutuloy kasi ang iniisip mo, walang magbabantay sa apo mo. Sobra ka, Mare. Napaka-priority mo ang pamilya mo, which is tama naman. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo, sa mga pagod na hindi mo ipinapakita at sa pagmamahal na walang hinihinging kapalit para sa pamilya mo. So ngayon, we pray for good health, peace, and happiness. Happy birthday again, Kumare. You are deeply loved, appreciated, and truly an inspiration to other mothers. Happy birthday!
Hi! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tita Ellen!
Happy birthday, Ellen. Hi. You've reached a great milestone in life, and I'm glad that you're celebrating this special moment. We're here in a cafe in Kensington. Of course, I'm with Danny.
I'm Danny.
You know me. Pag di mo kilala, awayan kita. Anyway, happy birthday, and we're just glad that we've been asked to do this para greet ka ng maligayang arawan. It's not long ago, I can still remember the happy moments we had when we were young. We're not so young anymore, but we're still alive and kicking. Sabi nga, congratulations on reaching a great milestone in life. I hope you enjoy being at this age and wonderful moment. Enjoy your loved one. Of course, yung iyong unika iha at ang iyong unikang apo. Congratulations again. Sorry nakaganito ako. Actually, I've been postponing to record this kasi when Aika asked me to do a video recording, I happened to just have an eye procedure, so medyo maga at badly bruised ako. Ayan, no? Medyo bruised yung kaya ako nakaganito. But anyway, I won't miss this for the world. Hindi ko pwedeng palagpasin na batiin ka ng happy birthday. You've been my best friend since we were young. We stayed friends the whole time, not just because we're cousins, but because the love between us has always been there. Thank you for being a wonderful cousin. Kahit makulit ka pa rin hanggang ngayon. Actually, yun yung masarap sa'yo kasi makulit ka. Madali kang kabagayan. Ayan. This is going to be what we're having. And coffee kami, hot chocolate. We have a sandwich and cinnamon. So, ayan. It's time. Say your wishes.
Happy birthday.
Hold the phone.
Oh, okay. Happy birthday again, Tita Ellen. And I wish you well. And hopefully, I get to see you soon.
Yes, hopefully we get to see you and stay happy and enjoy your birthday. See ya. Bye.
Happy birthday, Lola Ellen. Your birthday is next week po. Mahal kita, Lola Ellen. Mahal kita po. I hope you come back from Imos. Thank you for my gamot. Thank you for my bao. Thank you for the food. Thank you for the fruits po. And all your kindness po. Thank you po, Lola Ellen. Mahal kita po.